In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson TX400 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. To start the resetting process, please turn off your antivirus for a while, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can get this resetter, the link on pinned comments. After you download this resetter, you can just right click on the resetter and extract all. After that, you can open the folder, and to open the resetter, click this loader. Okay, don't directly open the adjustment programs because it doesn't work. Just click the loader and click accept. And in here, you can select the port. Okay, after that, you can click OK. Select particular adjustment mode button and click was inkpad counter. Then you can click OK. Please click on main pad counter options and click check button. After you click check button, you can click initialization button. If you encounter an error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process. And you can try using another USB port on your computers. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson TX400 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.